You know, we talk a lot about, especially in the last month, we've heard a lot of people in the office talk about hip-hop cops because of all the, what was that? There's been a flurry of rappers who have been arrested. Well, this video that we just got is really gonna, I think, ignite that debate a little bit more. Lil Pump, you'll remember, was arrested back in December in Miami at the airport, was arrested for disorderly conduct, but the whole thing started because somebody at the airport
smelled weed in one of the pieces of luggage, and it had Lil Pump's name on the luggage. So they went after him. He was trying to explain
that it was not.
He has a crew of people, and all of the names were his names, and all the luggage wasn't his. Watch the reaction.
This is the body cam video from the cops who responded to this. They're standing in the jetway as they pulled him off the plane. So they're in the jetway.
So watch what he does and watch the reaction from cops.
Are you on probation? Yeah, right now. Okay, this is going to violate your probation.
Bro, that's not my bag. Bro, you can do anything in the world.
Don't start raising your voice.
It's not my bag.
We don't have to convince you. Your name's on it. Right now, as far as we're concerned, it's your bag.
But it's not my bag. I'm telling you, it's not my bag. That's not my bag. You can go look in the cameras. I swear to God, I put it on my mom that I die right now. I did not walk in with that bag. And you guys are not going to walk over me and tell me that that's bag, bro. That's not my bag. That's not my bag.
Yeah.
That's not my bag.
I don't care.
That's my bag.
It's your bag
You're
now.
not gonna convince me that that's my bag. Chill out, bro. I'm telling you, yo, chill out. Come on, bro. I'm telling you, that's not my bag, bro. Yo, my jewelry just fell off, man. Come on, man.
I'm sorry.
So who do you think? Who do you think amped things up there?
That's why I said this morning. Watching that video, it is any rational person can see in that video that the authorities in that situation escalated that situation.
Yeah, and
without a doubt.
And by the way, not only that, but they're talking to him like, you violated your probation. It's like they're prosecuting him.
Right, they're
just
prosecuting
find out if
it's your bag now.
The cop literally said, it's your bag now.
Yeah. What the hell does that mean?
What does that mean? I mean, if he's saying that's not my bag, he's telling them check surveillance footage, and the cop goes, it's your bag now.
Now look, no doubt, Pump was definitely agitated and raised his voice.
But why did
not make any move toward anyone. And for the officer to like get in his face like that that's just
But it was also antagonistic from the beginning to say, you violated your probation. You don't have to worry about that. You're not the prosecutor. Just, you know, if he's committed a crime, you can deal with it there. But I don't know. It just is very troubling. By the way, bag wasn't even his.
Turns out the bag wasn't his. He did get arrested, but only for disorderly conduct, had nothing to do with the weed.